Now here, the voice changer may be just right next to the camera option, so mine is right here. But if you don't see yours, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the end and go to the search icon here and press search, and then press search up here one more time and type in voice effect. You see this last one here, it says voice effects by Instagram. This is the one you want to find. And then you want to press this little download option here to try it. So I'm going to go ahead and press this, and it's going to save it to my camera, or I could just press try it here. So this should bring you right over here. Now there are multiple options that you could choose here. As you can see, the first one here is the balloon effect. The one next to it is giant. The one is vocalist, announcer, and robot. Those are all your options, at least at the time that I'm recording this. And basically all you need to do is select one of these. So for example, I'll select this one, and then you just have to press and hold here. And while it's recording your 15-second video clip, all the voice, everything you're going to say right now is being changed to that voice. And I'll let go. And you could listen to it back here and decide if you like it or not.
And here's what helium sounds like.
And this one is giant.
This one is vocalist.
This one is the announcer. And the last one is robot.
So again, all you have to do is choose the voice that you want, press and hold to record that voice. So make sure you talk here to change your voice. And then as soon as you let go, your clip would be ready to be posted onto your Instagram story. And it's that simple to use the new voice changer inside of Instagram story. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.